Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can transfer USDT from OKX to Bitget. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're going to be doing is you're simply going to go ahead and open up your particular Bitget app. Then you're going to go ahead, go to verification process, and go ahead, tap on deposit and add some funds. Now once you have some funds in it, you're going to go ahead, go to the section of receive or deposit, where you will be able to simply copy the address of your Bitget wallet, which you will require for you to do the transaction from OKX. Now go to OKX app of yours, get verified, and then go to the section of send or withdrawal. Then from over here, go ahead, add in the address that you just copied from Bitget wallet, and then add in the USDT currency, how much you would like to send the value. Then go ahead and review the information once again and tap on confirm at the bottom, and your transaction will go through. Later on, you can go ahead, check it out on your Bitget app as well. That is it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.